Hi, I'm ASO bass player Michael Kurth, and this is the instructional video for the intermediate level string bass part for the Beethoven Ode to Joy Playalong. In this part we have some long sustained quiet notes. We need to use a very slow bow for those. And we also have some slurred eighth note scales. And in slurred scales, I often like to keep my shifting to strong beats. In other words, like in measure 7, I'll shift to the D on beat 2, the B on beat 3, and the G on beat 4, the quarter note beats, because shifting to strong beats can make your playing sound a lot more stable and secure. I'll turn my metronome on 132, and we'll count off 2 bars, and we'll go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play.